You have to depend upon others' mercies. If they provide, you have to work. Otherwise, you won't be able to. Is it a good idea? Is it good idea? Why can't we manufacture? Why can't we design? Why can't we develop? And why can't we distribute them to the whole interested across the world? You need now a 3D project. A 3D project is needed for us now. I think engineering colleges should play a pivotal role in that. Design, develop, and distribute. If you are able to do that, then you can become Atmanirbhar Bharat. If that's not there, when they make things and send you, then you develop the product and distribute. That means you are giving your head into their hands. That's it. That's what's happening now. Among our Bharats, among our youths, abilities are tremendous. There are so many skills among our own youth, our own youngsters, boys and girls. We need focus. We need attention towards designing and developing. This should be probably our agenda. This should be our focus. For that, we need focus. To gain that focus, games will help you a lot. Why the games are organized now? Why the sports are organized now among the college students? What is the need? The need is to gain focus, attention, fitness. While making something, you should be fit enough. While designing, you must focus the things. What are the options that you are able to make? You need to design them. You need to plan them. And you need to incorporate them in the items that you are able to make. Interestingly, I'll mention something for you. As I said, we have our children who are blind. Once in 2023 itself, they have participated in FLL program, which happens once in a year in some part of the world. It's Lagos. Approximately students from 135 countries will participate in that. 135 countries. And the number may be more or less, 30 to 40,000 children will participate at different age groups. In 23, some of our blind children participated in that competition, in that FLL program that was conducted in India first time. It was conducted in Goa. So with a little effort, 7 students from our Netra Vidyalaya were able to participate in that. Blind children participating in robotics was not heard. Before that, it was not there. That was the first time blind children participated in displaying their robotics with Legos, right? So, it was very interesting that all the 7 students who participated in that were well received by the authorities who conducted that. And in 2024, they have conducted the same program in Houston, America, Texas, in the Texas state. They have conducted in a city called Houston. And very interestingly, they invited our children, blind children. And 11 children went there and participated in the competitions. And just for your information, our children, blind children, are able to make a robot which will be able to just move on the ground and able to understand the nature of the ground, nature of the soil. That means what are the chemicals present in that soil? What are the deficiencies in that soil? This kind of small robot, it's a very, very small stuff, but the child was able to prepare such a kind of robot and displayed that, which was very well received. What it is used for is a different question. When it is displayed or probably demonstrated, then it will be able to help the farmers in their agro-based activities, like what kind of crop should be grown, what kind of chemicals are there in the soil, what kind of chemicals should be substituted or probably reduced. So the editing and cut pasting, etc., can be done if the soil's nature is understood, right? Nowadays, our people are sending rockets to other planets like Mangala. How many of you know that? Rocket was sent first time by our country to the planet Mangala, to Kuja Graha, right? What for? To test the soil of that planet. What kind of things are available in that soil? What kind of wealth it is able to add to the country which sends or collects that soil? Right? This is the kind of test they may be doing. I don't know. I am not a scientist. Okay? But the purpose is to collect some kind of soil, test it, find out whether there is a fluoride or whether there is calcium, whether there is some other element which makes a lot of benefit to the country. Maybe that is the reason why all these rockets are sent to different planets. The robo which is made by our student is useful for that purpose. Testing the soil to understand the nature of sake,